Maybe people just don't have something that they're working on.
Right. I mean, anything. You need some sort of goals, whether it's working out or a goal with work or anything. You need something to work towards.
Yeah, if you don't have that, the energy thieves come in and then you're
lost.
Yeah, everything sucks. Everything's terrible. You can get so much.
You have no direction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, like these people in Scottsdale, I didn't hear a single complaint from anybody. They would run into the bathroom. They were checking their laptop. They're like, I'm going to close this deal. How would I do this? How do I call this person back? They were caught up in their own little world. And I think it is okay to be self-centered like that and caught up in your own little world, because they were making, their little world was perfect. Like I wanted to be a part of that family, right? Yeah. There was no negativity going on. They had something they were working on.
Oh, I love my world. I love my bubble. I feel safe in it, I don't like the outside world creeping in on my happy space,
Yeah.